We are honored to have the trust of our valued client, HOA Sen Van Kim Huynh Rubber Latex Processing Company. DIVI Group has invested in a thermal oil heater system with a capacity of 4 million cal to supply heat to HOA Sen Van Kim Huynh. The thermal oil heater with biomass fluidized bed technology was fully designed, manufactured, installed, and successfully handed over with technology transfer under the DIVI Group brand. The biomass fluidized bed thermal oil heater is compactly designed with vertically positioned double helical coils. Thus, the system saves floor space and construction costs while still ensuring optimal conditions for workers' operation, convenient maintenance, and high product aesthetics. From design, procurement of materials and equipment, to manufacturing, all stages are carefully supervised to ensure the biomass thermal oil heater system operates stably with a minimum lifespan of 15 years, helping customers save billions of VND in heat production costs. The biomass fluidized bed thermal oil heater system is fully automated using PLC control, greatly saving on operating labor. Specifically, the entire 4 million cal system requires only 2 operators per shift, helping customers significantly reduce labor costs compared to conventional boilers. The PLC system automatically adjusts fuel input based on oil temperature signals using a linear control method. This ensures fuel is supplied precisely as needed for the plant's load, saving fuel and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. DIVI Group's thermal oil heater is designed to burn a wide variety of fuels, such as wood chips, pellets, cashew shells, rice husks, and sawdust, achieving high efficiency and stable heat generation. The system is designed to thoroughly utilize waste heat from flue gases. The air preheater helps minimize heat loss to the environment and increases the heater's efficiency up to 85%. The thermal oil heater features a multi-stage ash and dust handling system, including ash recovery under the air preheater, high-efficiency multi-cyclone dust collectors designed to British standards, and finally fine dust recovery using fabric filters or wet scrubbers. As a result, flue gas emissions are thoroughly cleaned of dust particles, meeting the strictest emission standards of Vietnam and international regulations. The fan system is precisely calculated and designed, operating at low speed to minimize wear caused by dust-laden flue gases. Moreover, the fan system is precision engineered with bearings sourced from Japan and Germany, ensuring quiet, durable operation with minimal minor failures. All electrical automation and instrumentation equipment that are sourced from globally reputable manufacturers. They have been carefully screened, tested, and evaluated by DIVI Group over a long period to ensure reliability and durability throughout operation, preventing interruptions that could significantly impact the customer's main production activities. To ensure product quality, we provide a 36-month warranty on the pressure-bearing body of the thermal oil heater from the date of handover, giving customers peace of mind for long-term use without major repair costs. The biomass fluidized bed thermal oil heater at HOA Sen Van Kim Huynh is the result of an energy-saving program implemented by DIVI, helping the company save at least 40% of diesel costs used in latex drying, saving billions of VND annually. With the advantage of using a wide range of low-calorific, low-cost, or economical biomass fuels, DIVI Group's fluidized bed thermal oil heater proudly features the most advanced technology available on the Vietnamese market under actual fuel conditions. DIVI is proud to provide trusted, high-quality, and dedicated thermal oil heater solutions that meet diverse customer needs. DIVI offers various options as follows. Customers can purchase the thermal oil heater and receive technology transfer and operator training. Customers can purchase the thermal oil heater and take over its operation at low cost while assuming full responsibility for the thermal oil heater system. DIVI can fully invest in the thermal oil heater system, or DIVI can operate the system, supply steam according to the customer's demand, and take full responsibility for the thermal oil heater system. The biomass fluidized bed thermal oil heater system helps customers meet export requirements and benefit from bilateral and multilateral agreements Vietnam has joined, thanks to the use of environmentally friendly renewable fuels. DIVI Group, where ideas come true, bringing prosperity to customers through clean energy.